Cette conférence va maintenant être enregistrée.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Theodora Maukede Zorankon. I'm medical doctor and associate professor in molecular biology and molecular genetics at University Saint Thomas d'Aquin, Burkina Faso. I have the honor to share with you the results of our work on mapping of 14 high-risk HPV genotypes by molecular detection in sexually active women in the West African sub-region. My presentation will be structured around 5 points. Introduction, followed by objective, then methods, after that, the result, and finally, conclusion. To introduce, we can note that human papillomavirus infection and cervical cancer remain a major concern worldwide, especially in sub-Saharan Africa, where cervical cancer induced by high-risk HPV is the leading cause of cancer death among women. The slow and insidious evolution of cervical cancer, as well as the absence of systematic screening, will explain why it is most often diagnosed at a late stage in West Africa. HPV infection is the most common sexually transmitted infection in the world, with 600 billion people infected according to the World Health Organization. The objective of this study was to determine the distribution of high-risk human papillomavirus oncogenic genotypes among women from general population of 5 West African countries. What was the methodology adopted? This was a cross-sectional descriptive study that collected 2,133 endocervical samples from the service of women in the general population without cervical lesion. The samples came from 5 West African countries: Benin, Burkina Faso, Ivory Coast, Niger, and Togo. About inclusion criteria, included were all non-pregnant women and girls who freely consented after receiving information on the study. Not included in the study were women or girls who were virgins or pregnant or who had a total hysterectomy. After sensitization on HPV infection, prevention and cervical cancer risk, and after obtaining free and informed consent of women, an endocervical swab was performed at the service of women, followed by screening for precancerous cervical lesion by via VIN. The samples collected were sent to the CERBA Biogen, Molecular Biology and Genetics Laboratory, University Joseph Kizerbo, Burkina Faso, for molecular analysis. About extraction of viral DNA from high-risk HPV, the DNA extraction was performed using DNA sub-A kit, Sakashi Biotechnology, Italy, by following the protocol provided by the manufacturer. About real-time high-risk HPV detection by multiplex PCR, detection of high-risk HPV genotypes was made by real-time PCR using HPV genotypes 14 real-time count kits and the Cycler 96 real-time PCR, Sakashi Biotechnology, Italy. This genotyping is based on multiplex real-time PCR amplification for each sample, and the beta globin gene was used in internal control. The HPV genotypes 14 real-time count kit allowed to detect the following 14 high-risk such as HPV 16, HPV 18, HPV 31, HPV 33, HPV 35, HPV 39, HPV 45, HPV 51, HPV 52, HPV 56, HPV 58, HPV 59, HPV 66, and HPV 68. Each sample was subjected to multiplex amplification in 4 tubes, and each tube contained primers of the target region of 3 or 4 types of high-risk HPV and the human beta globin gene as internal control. Data were entered and analyzed using SPSS software and EpiInfo. The chi-square test was used for comparison with a significant difference. What are the main results obtained? The average of the women in this study was 35 years with a range of 15 to 65 years. The total prevalence of high-risk HPV infection among women in 5 West African countries was 33.61%. The prevalence of dysplasia was 8.81%. In decreasing order of frequency, the genotype found were HPV 52, followed by HPV 31, 59, 51, 66, 45, 68, 56, 58, 35, 39, 18, 33, and 16. The prevalence of HPV 16 and 18 was 7%. Of the 700 women infected with HPV, 250 or 34.87% had a high risk of multiple HPV infection, and 467 women had an isolated infection. The number of high-risk HPV genotypes per women range from 1 to 6. Multiple infection with 2 and 3 genotypes were in the majority with 64.4% and 28% of cases respectively. Figure 1 shows the high-risk HPV prevalence in West Africa. The prevalence of HPV infection in West Africa ranges from 12 to 53%. Figure 2 shows the frequency of high-risk HPV genotypes in women in the general population in West Africa. Genotypes HPV 52 was the most common, while genotype 16 and 18 have a relatively low frequency. Figure 3 shows mapping of high-risk HPV genotypes in 5 countries from West Africa. We note the presence of the 14 genotypes in each of the 5 countries of West Africa: Benin, Togo, Burkina Faso, Côte d'Ivoire, and Niger. Figure 4 shows the frequency of high-risk HPV genotypes: bivalent vaccine types, non-valent vaccine types, non-vaccine high-risk HPV, and HPV 52 in women of the general population in West Africa. There is a high percentage of genotypes not covered by existing HPV vaccine. In conclusion, this study reveals a high prevalence of HPV 52 genotype, followed by HPV 31, 59, 51, 66, 45, 68, 56, 58, 35, 39, 18, 33, and 16 in West Africa. The overall prevalence of high-risk HPV infection ranged from 12 to 53%. The HPV genotypes predominant in the general population in West Africa are not HPV 16 and 18. Is it due to viral clearance or genetic mechanism? As cervical cancer is one of the few preventable cancers, it is crucial to place emphasis of prophylactic vaccination against broad-spectrum HPV adapted to the African context. I am at the end of my presentation. Thank you.